What's up everybody? Okay, so we're gonna have a look at DirtFX for Genesis 9 as complete noobs. I've never touched this thing. I bought it. I have no clue how to use this thing. So I'm gonna mess up a ton right now, but at least we get to see how easy it is to get into it and what it's about and stuff. What I like already is you can use it on clothes and characters. And there's a lot of cool presets and mud splashes and geo shells that you can use and top coats or whatever. And let's see how it works. Okay, so I've got the Genesis 9 character up here, and I've got all files. Okay, so in anatomy, you've got the geoshells that you can add, which is nice. You've got materials, which are the materials that you can use. Okay, materials, good. You've got attachments, which look like it adds the geoshells for you. And okay, so these look like presets, which are pretty cool. And then you've got the actual shaders. Now the shaders is kind of the different kind of looks and feels of dirt. It's the shader of the dirt. So it's what the parameters that hold what you can change for the dirt to get the look that you want. And you've got your offsets of the, I take it this is the offsetting the textures and stuff. And then you've got your roughnesses. You can set your roughnesses really quickly here if you don't want to go into it. And then your shader, your top coats. Okay, you can set the weight of the top coats. Okay, so let's get into it. Then you've got web links, tip. Okay, tip shader overlays work in conjunction with your own shaders. Okay, and are dependent on object UVs. Select your object, activate the surfaces you want to overlay in the surface panel, and apply the overlay preset of your choice. Right, so basically what that's saying is select your thing, go to surfaces, select what you want to add onto it, which is, let's just take skin for now. Let's move this over to iRay and then apply a shader. Okay, there we go. Simple and easy. Huh. And then these give you your overlays. Okay, so you can change your kind of all your things about your overlays, how much weight you want them, the color of these things, if you wanted it to be blue. And you can change everything else about it. Everywhere where it holds kind of like a map, there's a map, top coat weight. So you can bring that down, bring it up. There, you can see how shiny it gets. See that? Top coat roughness, this is making it wetter or more scattered, less rough, less wet. Okay, so it gives you all these kind of things. Oh, there's the bump for it. Okay, so you can bump that up and down or whatever you want. Okay, so pretty straightforward, I guess. How do you get rid of it? I'm going back, but I suppose if you did want to get rid of it, you can just select the map, go into layered image, and you can just delete the layer. But that would mean that you have to do it for everything that it's got there, right? Is there anything that just takes everything away? No, there's no kind of reset on this. There's no reset on this. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, okay, there's no reset. So there could be an easier way, but for now I'm just going to go back. But it means that you have to go through every one of these and take them away. Just like that. Anyway, let's go ahead with adding a shell. So I've got Joe 9 HD, I've got a shell, I select the shell, and it comes with a cool little thingy, right? So obviously you go into surface, you select your shell, and you can probably go into materials and select what you want. Okay, and that works, that's nice. So you got mud there, or you got like a mossy grunge. You can go in and select kind of what you're looking for, which is pretty cool. Do shaders work on this? Can I select a different shader? Yes, you can. Okay, so these are the different shaders that you can use of what it's gonna look like. You can see here a little bit more like this dirt, so it gives you different shaders, different overlays on it, different cool things. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Now, one thing I'm noticing though is, let's just have a look. Yeah, okay, it's looking pretty good. Wow, it's not too bad. And then obviously if you go all the way down, you can take your roughness to be high and your roughness to be low. There we go. Low is way more wet, tighter speculars, and high is more kind of diffused and stuff. Medium is looking pretty good. And then you've got your top coat. Okay, so your top coat is low. It just kind of makes it dumps down like the whole top coat shininess. And top coat high will bring it up shiny again. You could probably also change this like right in here, your top coats and all this kind of crap for it. So that's cool. Here we go, diffuse layer. You can bring it all the way down, bring it all the way up. So you can change what you want here. Obviously your color, bring it a bit down, make it a bit more black. Okay, so you've got complete control over this. Here, O3, let's see. These things never work for me. I don't understand them. Okay, so there's the dirt right there. Let's move it by 0.3. Okay, it works. It works. Ever so subtly. Wow. Now, notice that this shell it's a bit bigger than the arm, right? You can see that it's the geo shell is not perfect. You can see that. All you have to do is go to parameters, make sure you select your shells and type offset. Select your shell, and then you'll get offset distance 0.3. You can put that on 0.03 or something, and you can see it fits your character a lot better, right? So that's nice. Cool. Okay, so then you can obviously just delete the geo shell if you don't want it. Go back to Genesis 9. Let's try preset. Okay, let's try preset, and that is here, attachments. So you get a couple of attachments that you can just select, and on Joe 9 selector, select your preset, and you can see that it should add, there we go, 1, 2, 3. And once again, you can adjust all of these as you wanted to. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. You can adjust each one. Go down to its surfaces, select the shell, and you can do whatever the hell you want with these. You can also go to like different materials, I guess, and select them, and they should change. There we go. Okay, so that one was selected. So you can go ahead and select any of these material, and you can make something beautiful, no? Beautiful. Cool. Okay. I mean, that works pretty damn cool. Can I go to shaders and select the different kind of shading on it? Yes. So you can select the different shaders that you want to use. These are kind of different things that are used. You can see here it changes kind of the diffuse overlays and adds like the different maps, but keeps the mask of the material. Okay, this is kind of like the mask of the material. If you do like a full body, you can see it changes the full body. You can go to the shader, and then you can start messing with what that looks like. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward, pretty easy, pretty nice. So just to dumb things down a bit for people or whatever, if you go to materials, this is kind of like your masking of what it's going to look like, you know, where it is, how it's formed or whatever. So in those areas, you can see in those areas, let's just go back to this one because this one's quite evident what it is. And then you can choose the shader, and it'll change it up with different kind of diffuse overlays and different whatevers and whatnot. Okay, kind of changes like the shader of what it is, the look and feel of it, the texture of it, or whatever the hell it's called. I don't know. So that's it. Go to materials. Let's select the mud because the mud look good. Look how good that mud look. That looks good. And right. And now you say to yourself, but what about the clothes? No, the cloths. So let's go take the top and let's try and set like a material on it. Oh, remember, go to surfaces, summer top, select it, and then hit it. Nothing. Right, let's go to the shaders. Okay, add a shader to it, and let's see if that kind of works. There we go. Okay, so you've got that, then you can go to your materials, I presume, and you can try that. No. Okay, so this works with shaders because you're applying it directly onto here. So you're just overlaying a shader onto it, I presume. And this is pretty damn cool. Right, so you can apply your shaders and you can get what you're looking for there, which is pretty cool, man. It's really cool. There we go. You can dirty up your clothes, you can dirty up whatever the hell you want. It's pretty cool. Material. I just want to see. Okay, summertop, base, is there nothing? These, I can't change the material. I suppose that's right. I don't know. I'm coming to this like a noob, man. Anyway, guys, I hope this helps. And I mean, it's relatively simple to use. You can customize whatever you want. You get some really good results. It's looking pretty good. I like it. I do like it. I need to play with it more. I'll do a follow up one on this. It's just to show you guys out of the box as a complete noob how to use it. And I mean, it seems straightforward, but I think there's a lot to still understand and know about this. Anyway, I hope this helps, and I'll speak to you guys later. Bye, guys.